Welcome back to Code Masters.
In the last video, I created 3 lessons. In this video, I'll be adding more, starting with lesson 4.
And now, time for programming logic of level 7. For level 7, place your avatar at level 0 and your portal at level 8. You're going to need 1 blue, 2 green, and 2 red, along with your guide scroll 2. Let's try moving in the most direct path. So, starting with red, then green, then red, then green, then blue. I chose, after red, to go up to green rather than down to blue. Let's see if I nailed it. Looking at my code, I'm going to run it. Red, green, red, green, blue. And now I can move on to level 8. For level 8, you're going to need guide scroll 1. Two red, 1 green, and 1 blue. Your avatar goes to number 7, and your portal to number 4. Notice we have pathways that have arrows of what directions we can go.
Let's dance!
Now, let's write a code. Not keeping 2 reds together, we can start off with red and then choose one of our colors. Let's try running this code. Red to green to red to blue. Did we make it? No. Let's try going up instead of across. And now run the new code. It looks like we've done it. Now let's move on to level 9. Level 9 looks scary, but we can do it. We'll need guide scroll number 2. For this level, we need 2 red, 2 green, and 1 blue, and 2 rupees. The first of which goes at level 0, the second of which goes at level 7. The avatar is positioned at number 9, And the portal is at level 4. Remember, we're not just going to the portal. We have to collect both rupees. And we have arrows to follow in this level. Let's try writing a code. Now, let's try following that code. Red, to green, to blue, to green, to red. We made it to the portal, but missed one of the rupees. This code failed. But let's try again.
Guess I failed, huh?
So fail me. That's life.
You won't be perfect anymore.
Oh, no one should be perfect. Besides, you learn from failure. And I need to know that, right?
Often you'll find that if you stay focused on your closest goal at hand, you'll be on the right path. Take your avatar and go to 0. From there, 6. Then, your next goal is right in front of you. From there, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump to your final destination. Now we can move on to level 10.
Setting goals for yourself is one of the most important things that you as a student can do. When you look at set goals on a day-to-day basis, rather than looking at all of your tasks at once, you are more likely to stay motivated and focused.
And now for level 10. As you can see, this is our final map, but in no way our final level. Each map contains 6 different levels, meaning that there is a total of 60 levels, 50 more to go after this one. Let's set up our map 10 level 10. We'll need guide scroll number 3. This is the first time we're seeing guide scroll 3. And as you can see, there's many components to it. Place your avatar on level 2, your portal on level 6. You'll need 3 red, 1 green, and 2 blue. Now, let's predict our code. Moving our avatar to one side, we can see a loop. Life lesson and coding lesson. Sometimes you feel like you're standing in one place, but in reality, we're just working towards our eventual goals. Let's start with 1 red. Now, let's run our code. 1 red, green, red, blue, here's more arrows pointing up. I guess we'll have to change our code. With just a minor change, let's see if our new code works. Once again, 1 red, blue, red, green arrow down, red, and up to blue. We passed our goal. Now we can go all the way back to map 1 for level 11. Drop down from level 1 to level 11. You'll notice they go in progression by levels of 10. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. We're going to need guide scroll 1 again. And 2 red, 1 green, and 1 blue. We also need 1 rupee. It's going to be placed on level 1. Your avatar goes to 2, and your portal to level 4. Remember, when writing your code, you must collect your rupee. Pause the video here and make your own prediction. Ready? And pause. Remember, sometimes it's best to keep your initial goal at hand. Don't try and go to your final destination. That's why I chose to start with a blue pathway. Let's run this code. Blue, red, green, red. Something went wrong, but that's okay. Let's retry. Sometimes, looking at your first goal may not be the answer. One rule doesn't stand for all times. So, let's follow this different code and see if we can get there another way. Green to red, pick up your rupee. To red, to blue. And there we've done it. Sometimes going over the same pathway is the correct way to get to your final goal. It may not feel right, but it's got us to our final destination. And that was level 11. For more videos, stay tuned.